Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is a review on an item that I was kindly gifted from a company on Amazon. They asked me to choose one of their products, so I actually chose the magnetic lashes. That's been something that I've been really interested in for such a long time, so I thought how lovely would it be to just have magnetic lashes. You wouldn't have to fiddle in everything. If you're a girl, you know what I'm talking about. So if this is the type of video you like, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell button. Let's get into the video. So yes, the company actually kindly gifted me this modern C magnetic lashes and eyeliner. So yeah, I'm going to open this and we're going to test it out together. So just open the top there. It actually contains 5 pairs, which is really good. So inside you actually get a pair of scissors. You also get 5 different types of lashes. So you get 2 lots of magnetic eyeliner. You get the application tool. I probably won't use that. I can't get on with things like that. But you do get 5 different types of lashes. These ones are quite big ones. I'm going to actually try them all for you today just to see what they're all like. These top 2 are very much sort of daytime kind of looking lashes. These ones are the ones that I'd probably wear if I was sort of going out. These bottom 2 are probably a little bit on the big side for me. But we're going to give them a go today. So yeah, let's give this a go. So I've done my makeup, but I haven't applied my lashes if you've already spotted that. So I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer and we're going to look at applying the liner. Right, so I've brought you in kind of close. So I'm going to take my eyeliner and apply it to my lash line. Now, you know how I hate too much liner on my lash line because I've got hooded eyes. So I'm hoping that the lashes are going to disguise that. So yeah, it comes with a nice sort of tip. Yeah, it's got a good tip on it, so it can give you quite a fine line. So bear with me because I'm going to be looking down slightly. So I'm going to apply the liner. Right, that's one eye done. Right, I'll just finish the other eye off camera. Right, so it does say to apply 2 layers, so I'm just going to apply another layer now just to make sure. Right, so it does say to let it dry, so I'm going to leave it for a couple of minutes now and I'll be back to you shortly. Right, so I'm back. I am going to use the tool after all because it's not the same now, is it? And I'm going to see, actually I might do it this way and see how easily that snaps into place. So this is the first set of lashes, the smallest set. So right, that's that one on. They're quite easily to pop on. They're literally just, they're like so magnetic. I'll try and do it here while I show you. As soon as they get near the eyeliner, they kind of grip. Right, so that's those ones. Can you see? If I look down, if I look up, now I can feel it kind of like pricking a little bit. Maybe I've just not got it in the right place. You can sort of move it around a little bit to see, you know, what position, or if it's too far to the left, too far to the right, you can adjust it a little bit. But that's the smallest ones. Now, I do really like them. The only thing that I don't like about this side, and it's whether I've not got enough eyeliner on, is that I feel like that little corner's turning up. Now, it's probably my application, to be honest. But yeah, I thought that looks really good. I feel like I should get the liner really close to the lash as well so that it looks like it's part of the lash. I don't know whether I did that, maybe I didn't do that. So yeah, but that's the first set, which I thought looked really nice. So I'm going to swap these out now. I'm going to put on the other one. I won't film the recording of applying them again because it's basically just pop them on, pop them off. So, and I'll show you the next set of lashes. Right, these are the next ones. I did actually put another bit of eyeliner on, just really close to the lashes. I think that is actually the key with these, is to get it as close, or even sort of on your lashes a little bit, as close as to your lashes as possible. And it kind of makes it look like that it's further, like it your own lash basically, and you don't get that like little gap that you can sometimes see. Now I've sort of messed up the eyeliner there, if you've noticed. I've got a little blob, so please ignore that. That was my terrible application. But yeah, I quite like this neck size. This is sort of like the next to the bottom. I thought they look quite nice. Yeah, so I like those. They're dead easy to put on as well. So I'm going to show you the next size now. This is the ones that my favourite, so these are the next ones. Right, then we have these ones, and these are my favourite. Obviously they're very much like the lashes that I normally wear, which is really good, and they were dead easy to put on. I think the fact that I keep swapping and changing them though is kind of disrupting the eyeliner, so I'm going to leave it there. I'm not going to try the two big sizes because they wouldn't suit me anyway, but it gives you an idea of what these look like. I can really recommend them. They're not expensive, they're $14.99. I'll leave all the details below if you're interested. It's definitely worth it and really easy to apply. I did trim these ones as well because they were a little bit long because I've only got little eyes. But yeah, I thought these were really good, so I've got to give it a thumbs up, guys. I think they're actually really lovely. What do you think? Leave me comments below if you're interested, or if you want to ask me any questions about the application. I'd be quite happy to answer. So that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!